Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and drivers are current because a dead adapter blocks everything. Next, open the system Wi-Fi list and look for an open SSID or a network labeled guest or WPS. If you have physical access to the router, you'll use WPS or the guest portal. Otherwise, create a phone hotspot temporarily. Once done, position yourself near the router to ensure strong signal and fewer connection errors. Now you perform the main connection method. First, try WPS. Press the router's WPS button, then choose the corresponding option on your laptop and accept the pairing. This exchanges credentials automatically. If the network redirects to a guest portal, open any browser, accept the terms, and complete the minimal form. This grants access without a shared password. Alternatively, if you control a phone, enable a hotspot with a simple SSID and connect the laptop. This gives immediate internet while you finish setup. Finish by confirming connectivity. Open a website or ping a reliable host to ensure packets flow. If WPS doesn't work, reboot both router and laptop, wait 30 seconds, then retry WPS or switch to the guest portal or your phone hotspot. Reboots clear transient faults. Make sure to disconnect from open networks when done and prefer a hotspot or guest network only temporarily, because open Wi-Fi is unencrypted and exposes your data. Use a VPN if you must stay connected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.